Let's quickly look at how you can manage your account settings inside CloudRaptor. To access your profile settings, go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click on your account name or avatar. From there, open the Profile Settings page, or navigate directly to the profile URL. First, you can update your display name. This is the name shown across your CloudRaptor account. Simply enter a new name and save. The changes are applied instantly. Next is your registered email address. This is displayed here for reference. In most cases, you won't be able to change your email from this section. If you want to update your password, you can do it right here. You'll need to enter your current password first, then set a new one. The new password must meet basic security requirements, like being at least 8 characters long. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode using the theme toggle. The selected theme applies across the entire dashboard interface. Once you update any setting, the changes are applied immediately and saved to your account. And that's how you manage your profile settings in CloudRaptor. Quick, simple, and fully customizable.